student, today we are going to see Standard 5th Moral Science. The lesson name is Sincerity Always Pays. Come, let us move to the video session.
Lesson 4 Sincerity Always Pays. Let me see in this lesson how sincere plays a main role with the help of a character, that is Motu and Chotu. Words of wisdom. Work done wholeheartedly is always fruitful. That means if you are doing some work, it will be, if you are doing the work very sincerely with the help of wholehearted, it will be very fruitful in your life. It will be very fruitful in your life. When we are doing all our works very hardly and sincerely, at the last one day we will achieve with the great things. Let us see with the help of words of wisdom in this lesson. Bolu was a farmer. He lived in a small village of Gujarat. Bolu is a farmer who is living in a Gujarat, and he was living in a small village. He had two sons. The first name is Motu and Chotu. That means Motu is a very selfish and lazy boy. He will not do any work in a home. Whatever the teacher is giving, he will not do any homework. Otherwise, when the father is giving some work, means he will not do anything. The same like he was spending all the time by sitting under a neem tree. He is ordering the Chotu to do all the works. Chotu will do all the works with the help of a father, and he is a very simple boy and very hard working boy. Chotu is a very hard working boy. He did all the hard works of the house. Whatever the necessary is there in the house, he will do everything. He helped his father in this field. For example, farmer will, what they will do in the field, they will do all the works by planting a small plants, otherwise sowing a seed. Like that, what they will do, they will plough a field with the help of a cow. With the help of a father, he will do all the works. Like that, he was doing everything. He helped his father in the field. As the year went, what the two brothers did meant they both got married. Everybody lived in a same house. Motu still ordered Chotu around, and Chotu did all the works in the house. Still, after getting married also, Motu is ordering Chotu to do all the works. He also did without giving any circumstances. That means any burden, he was doing all the work. Bolu was an old man now. He hardly moved out of the house. Now Bolu became very old. He hardly moved out of the house. That means he has moved out of the house. One day he split his room and fell down. While he was splitting his room, he was fell down. That means he was fall down in the room. He know that he was going to die soon. That means he knows very well that Bolu is going to die very soon. He called his two sons and distributed his property. That means they will be having lot of property, isn't it? Yes. He distributed the property along with them very good manner. Motu greeted as he was started accusing his father that he had given all the fertile land to Chotu. He is arguing with the father, you have given all the fertile land to Chotu. For me, you have given all the waste land. He is telling like that. But father said, I have given a proper property to each one of you. Please use that very good manner. He is telling everything. But Chotu did not ask even a single question to the father. While only the barren land has come in his share. That means, I have told you already, Chotu has got only the wasteland, he was thinking. As the younger brother quietly announced that all the fertile land can be given to Motu. Chotu has said that you can give all the fertile land to Motu itself, no need of me, he is telling. After that, what he is doing? He could be happy only when the land that had not produced a single grain was the past many years. Now what happened? Motu land is not producing anything for the past many years. He cannot produce even a single seed in that. Let me see how the sincere plays a role in this lesson. Chotu asked his parents to stay with them. His wife take care of them. Now, Chotu was a very good boy and a hard-working boy. Parents was there, no? Father and mother both were stayed along with Chotu. He was taking care of everyone. While he was worked very hard in the field, he tilled the land and used large amount of manure to make the fertile. He has thought every fertile land was given to Motu. Chotu was not having anything, so he has used lot of hard work and he was training for a long time to do all the works. He has used a large amount of manure to keep the land very fertile. He worked on a field from morning till night. From the morning till night he was working in the field itself. He discussed different ways of making the land fit for growing crops. He took the advice of the elder. He has taken all the advice of the elders and he was doing all the works. Ultimately, after a 6 months of preparing the ground for the crops, Chotu sowed the seed now. Now what the Chotu is doing? He was sowing the seed along the area. Everybody waited to see what the outcomes of the effort. Everybody was eagerly waiting what the result he is going to produce now. The crop was very good, better than anyone's expectation. Whatever we are expecting, other than that, it will be more will be produced if you are doing all the hard works. After a year of working sincerely on the field, Chotu got the large sum of money by selling the crops in a market. He was growing a lot of crops in the field and is getting more money with the help of a field. Now Chotu was very happy by seeing the crops. He was very happy that however hard works always plays a vital role in our character. Motu on the other hand did not take any interest in the field. That means he employed laborers who did all the works for him. That means Motu is a very selfish and lazy boy. He will not do any works in the field. He was appointing all the laborers to sit in the field and do all the works. That means in the field only the laborers will do all the works with the help of Motu. Motu will not do even a single work in the field. His wife was a very lazy as he was. How Motu was very lazy, the same like our wife is also a lazy girl. She did not take proper care of the house. He spent their time gossiping under the trees. How the same thing is repeating. See how the Motu was sitting under the neem tree, the same like his wife is also sitting under the neem tree and he was gossiping others. Gossiping means with the help of other people we will talk everything. The same like he was talking. Unnecessarily we are talking. That was the result of their laziness. The field did not produce enough crops and house was neglected. Now what happened? No sincerity was there, no hard work is there, no work is there. Because of that the field will not give any crops to them. That means Motu did not get any proper crops to them. Because of that the house is also neglected. That means they are going to sell the house for other person now. Now what the Motu is doing? He was very sad and upset now. Gradually, Chotu, who had taken only barren land from his father, became a rich farmer and Motu, with fertile fields, became a pauper. That means he had to sell off his fields in order to get some money for their house. How did this happen? Chotu worked very hard, sincerity, while Motu depended on the other people. See, in this lesson, we have seen two characters, that is, Motu was a very selfish and lazy boy. Chotu was a very good person and he was a very hard-working person. Chotu was doing all the works in a field and he is getting a proper field and proper crops and he was selling in the market and he was getting a proper amount. But Motu alone did all the laziness in the field and he was doing all the unwanted things in the field. It's the same like when we are doing our work sincerely, at the future, one day we will get all the benefits with the help of a God. Yes, God has sent us in this world to do all our work sincerely. If we are sincere in our effort, we will surely achieve success. That means when God has created us, He has own ways. The same like when we are doing all our works very sincerely, one day, the future, we will be very successful person. I hope you all understood about the lesson. Sincerity always pays. Thank you, students.